Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the types of nerves. Basically a nerve is made up of a bundles of axons, or we can say the nerve cells, and these axons are basically enclosed in a tubular like structure or a medullary sheath that is called the myelin sheath. Now the types of nerves, basically there are three types of main nerves in the human body. The first one is sensory, second one is motor, and the third one is mixed nerves. Basically these nerves are classified based on their functions. Now the name defines that the sensory nerves, they mainly brings all the messages or impulse from the sense organs like our nose, hand, skin, or etc and etc to the brain or to the spinal cord. To the spinal cord when there is any requirement for sudden action. Now if we take an example that basically if you burning sensation, if you feel, if you burn your hand, sensory nerves send impulses to your brain to let you know about your feeling or you how do you feel pain. So sensory nerves basically carry the impulse from the skin or from the sensation, burning sensation, to the brain. Now the second types, basically the motor nerves, send these impulses or messages from the brain or spinal cord to the muscles or the basically glands, and these are responsible for all the voluntary skeleton and somatic movement, like if you moving your hand or arms, this is all responsible with the help of motor nerves. Now these nerves are also connected with the muscles or glands, or we can say with the organs throughout the body. Now the third one, that is the mixed nerves. Basically mixed nerves is called because they carry both messages from the sensory and from the motor nerves fibers. Now from the sense organ to the brain and the spinal cord and vice versa, like opposite. They basically contain the both afferent and efferent axons. Now what does these terms means? The first one, that is the afferent axons, and the second one is efferent axons. These both terms are basically the another name of the sensory nerves, and the efferent axons, these are basically the another name of motor nerves. Now the afferent are responsible for the receiving sensory input from the body, like touching anything, or we are seeing anything like our sight or sound etc, and is sending it to the brain for the processing. Now the efferent axons then transmit motor command from the brain to the muscles or to the gland to initiate the movement or to initiate the reaction. Now some points to remember, we have to understand that a nerve cell is mainly a length of 1 meter. This is an approximate value. Second point says that if a signal is transmitted or travels with a velocity of 1.2 mile per hour to 250 miles per hour, that means this is about approx, if we convert it into the kilometer, this is approx 1.9 or something 2 kilometer per hour to 250 miles, that is about 400 kilometers per hour. This is the velocity of the signal traveling inside our body. The third one says that the numbers of neurons in our human brain is as many as there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. In the universe there is a Milky Way galaxy. There are numerous number of stars present. Like that only in human brain the number of neurons is much many as the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The fourth term says that number of ways to travel information in the human brain is greater than the number of stars in the universe. Now this was all about the parts of types of nerve cells. In the next video we will talk about another chapter. Till then, thanks for watching.